Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to show you the function of DISP button on your calculator guys. You can see here this DISP button and I will show you how does it work. It is also called display button guys. Okay, so first of all, let's say we have a bigger value. Let's say we have very big value, okay, very big numbers, and you can see here there are commas over here on the top. This is a comma. You can see here these commas, they are on the top, but in some countries they don't write comma on the top. Instead they write this comma here in the downside. Okay guys, so it will be very difficult. If it's on top, it will be very difficult for us to find it out if it's a million, 10 million, if it's a lakh, if it's a crore. So it's very difficult for us to find it out if the comma is on the top. So we use DISP button to bring this comma from top to down position guys, and I will show you how you guys can do it. So let's go back and back it to 0 and clear everything, and then we press this DISP button for few seconds. We keep pressing it guys. I will show you. So I press this DISP button. Okay guys, so when you press this DISP button, you will see a value over here like this, and the commas are on the down, and over top you can see here it's written set. Okay, so now what's the second thing you have to do? You can bring this comma position up or down, or even you can bring dots over here, points over here, and I will show you how. So now the second step, what you have to do, you see this check forward button or check back button, and there is a arrow keys over here. Okay, so you can press these arrow keys to bring it down or up. I will show you. So I will press this one, this arrow key, which is going over here. So you can see here the comma is gone on the top. You can see here guys, the comma is on top now. So if you want to bring it back again, press this check. You can see here there are dots are showing now. Okay, you can also again press it. It will go up on the comma, and down when I press again, that is now showing the comma position on the downside. You can use it, you can use this button as well to do the same. For example, I press this one, the arrow key on the back side, you can see here. Okay, the comma is on top now. Okay, now it's dot. Okay, now comma again, and now comma on the downside guys. So we like this comma in this way on the downside, so we want to set it as this. So what you have to do, the third step, you have to press this display button again, but press this 2 times guys. So I press this display button to set it this comma on the downside. So I press this display button 2 times, 1 2. Okay guys, so now I will I already set the comma to down position, and now I will write a bigger number to see the position of the comma. Okay guys, so you can see here, you guys can see now the comma is in the down position guys. You can see here the comma is in the down position because I already set the comma to down position using this display and this back and forward button guys. So this is how you can change the position of the comma from the top to the bottom, because it depends on different countries. Some countries they write the comma on the top. Okay, and in some countries they write the comma in the downside to make it easier for them. So this is how you guys can set the comma to a different position using this display button guys. So I will repeat it, what you have to do. For example, you have a bigger number. Now you want to bring this comma to the top. What you will do, go back, press this display button for a few seconds, just keep pressing it. You can see here, now you can see here this value will come, and then now from here you can change the position of comma by using this forward backward button. You can see here. So now I will I bring it to up, and then there is a down comma, and then again, and then there is a dot position as well. So for example, I want to bring it back to the top. So same I will do, press the display button 2 times. Okay, and now I will see, I will press this bigger value. You can see here the comma is on the top. To bring it down, simply I will again press this display button, keep pressing it. Okay, and then to bring it down, just use this button. Okay, and then you can see here the commas are on the down position. Okay, and then you can see this display button. Just keep press it 2 times, and now it is set to down position. The comma is set to down position. You can see here I write bigger number, the comma is on the down position, guys. So this is how you guys can change the position of the comma in your Casio calculator, guys. So guys, I hope you like the video. I have more videos related to calculator, you can find them out, and please do subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon for more videos, guys. So thank you very much.